Hi everyone. Today is Friday. Today is a Lego day, and we'll build a new Lego set together. But before we start, I want to congratulate our last week winner who will receive this amazing Lego set of Wally and Neve as a gift. Okay, let me introduce today's Lego set. We have this beautiful retro set from Lego Creator. It's 3-in-1. We can build either a photo camera or a video camera or a TV. The set number is 31147 and it's recommended for 8+ years old. The photo camera seems very interesting for me, so let's open it and start building. So we have here 4 bags of Lego pieces, 3 instruction manuals, and stickers, and this thing. So let's start building the camera. Okay, so we're done with this realistic photo camera. It has 2 films. You can open this and then put the film inside. You close it and then and it has a lot of moving parts. I like it. Here's the TV, the second version of this Lego set. And here's the video camera, the third version of the set. You can open this so you see what you're recording. Smile. This set is really nice and it's a great pleasure to play with it. And of course, this amazing set is for a giveaway. All giveaway details and rules you can find it in this video description managed by my parents. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.